everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. This is Madhusmita and you're welcome to Your Wallet. If you are new to my channel, make sure that you have subscribed and also hit that bell notification on because I post every single day, be it be my long form videos or short. जो products मैं आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ, I think most of them I have already showed you guys in my shorts or on my reels, but this is like a detailed review. So if you are interested, then please continue watching. All the products lying beside me, and I can see that I do have a lot of lippies, like lip products. So I'll just start with them. Just start with what I have on my lips right now. New launches are from the brand L'Oreal. This is their Plump Ambition Hyaluron Oil. That I'm wearing currently is the shade Worth It. Just come closer and yeah, how the lip gloss looks. So glossy, so plumped, so juicy. I absolutely loved it. Last YouTube video उसमें भी मैंने ये वाला शेड ही अप्लाई किया था and this just looked so good on camera. Like जब मैं खुद का वीडियो एडिट कर रही थी ना, I could only see my lips there. I would like to add that ये plumping वाला effect देता है, like but not throughout. Like you know, for first 15 to 20 minutes you will feel a cooling sensation. तो ये जो cooling sensation है आपको लगेगा कि आपका lip plump हो रहा है, but no guys, it's a total scam. Please don't fall for it. I do have Too Faced का lip injection as well with me, जो मैं यूज करती हूँ. उनको 15-20 मिनट के बाद उसका इफेक्ट चला जाता है, but the hydration, the gloss, it remains. So yeah, if you are looking for a good dupe for or an alternative for the Too Faced lip injection, then you can definitely try these oils from L'Oreal. हम lip oils के बारे में बात कर रहे हैं, then I have to include these new babies in this video. So I'm talking about the Romand Melting Balm. This is what the product looks like. I have two shades with me. The first shade I have is Veiled Rose and the second shade that I have is Scotch Nude. Both the shades are just amazing, you guys. These are like lip balm, so on its own you can wear it or with makeup. These also make your lips very moisturizing, very nourishing. So I must say one of the best product from Romand after their glassing tint. This is worth every hype and मुझे ये actually sale में मिल गया था. I think I got it for ₹600. So yeah, worth it, definitely worth it. The next lip product that I was so excited this year when it got launched. I think this was the most talked about product. Again, a K-beauty product. So I'm talking about Laneige. This is their Glaze Grace Tinted Lip Serum. Again, it's the lip balm. I think this year is all about lip balm, lip oils. जितने सारे अभी 3-4 महीने में जितने भी ब्रांड सारे सब लॉन्च किए ना, सब ऐसे ही टाइप के अभी लॉन्च कर रहे हैं. एंड या आई एम लविंग इट. आई एम नॉट इवन कंप्लेनिंग बिकॉज दीज आर सो गुड. तो या Laneige का जो लिप स्लिपिंग मास्क है वो मेरा सबसे फेवरेट है. आई कीप री परचेसिंग इट एंड जब मुझे ये मिला कि ये टिंटेड लिप बाम है, आई हैड टू गेट इट. सो आई गॉट द शेड चॉकलेट फ्रॉस्टिंग. अगेन आई विल इंसर्ट द swatches over here. This just looks so beautiful on my pigmented lips, but I have a complaint. जो lip sleeping mask है, that I feel that makes your lips moisturized and nourished for a longer period of time, like 12 hours, 14 hours. But ये नहीं करता ऐसा. I think the longest that I see the effect that it gives me is for like max 5 to 6 hours. It just makes your makeup look like a little bit extra, I would say, because it is so glossy. It just makes my lips so juicy as if you have applied a lip gloss. So yeah, for that I would definitely give it a 10 on 10, but overall I would give it 8 on 10. The last lip product that I have is of course is not a new launch, but the shades are new. So I'm talking about the Maybelline Teddy Tints. So yeah, I got the shade Mascara Tear. I have already made a video on it. I'll make sure कि मैं I button में link डाल दूँ. Some people may like it, may not like it, but I have shown in the video clearly how to apply this. So please go ahead and check that video. I got the shade Mascara Tear and oh my god, I absolutely love this shade. अगर ये shade उन्होंने पहले launch किया होता ना, I wouldn't have gone through the other shade. I would have just picked this shade up and I was good to go. This range is all about new shades and I'm glad that those shades are complemented to brown skin. मुझे ये PR में नहीं मिला है, by the way guys. I have purchased it myself. I am also keeping an eye on the shade Coffee Date and Heart Lock. अभी जो Pink Friday sale आ रहा है, maybe at that time I will purchase it. But yeah, definitely getting more shades of it. Product that I have with me is from the brand Parulgar. Yeah, it does look like a lipstick, but it's not, you guys. दिस इज अ ब्यूटिफुल ब्लश एंड वन मोर थिंग अबाउट इट इज दैट अगर आप इसको ऐसे खोलोगे तो आपको ऐसे ब्रश मिलेगा इसके साथ. Absolutely love the packaging. I have the shade rosy pink. You can build the shade. तो अगर आपको लाइट लग रहा है, just apply another layer of it and you will see the magic, you guys. And this is very, very, very long lasting. Texture is also very soft, very, you know, I would say very satin matte finish. Like as soon as you apply it, it just melts into my skin like this. Even if you are a beginner, you can still use this क्योंकि वो जो मोटे मोटे ब्रश एप्लीकेटर होता है उसमें लाइक यहाँ वहाँ हो जाता है. But this one is good to go. I would definitely give it 10 on 10. Next new launch is also from the brand Parul Garg and they have launched 12 colored kajals, 6 in shimmer and 6 in matte. इधर मैं सारे swatches डाल दूंगी. Today also I have the nude shade or the off-white shade on my eyes and this just looks so beautiful, guys. Like so gorgeous. I absolutely love this and also they are quite affordable. This is for rupees 395 and just look at the packaging. This looks so premium. Like that's the only reason why I absolutely love Parul Garg. They're waterproof, they are smudge proof and they don't irritate my eyes. Like you can see if you have irritated eyes, like काजल लगाने के बाद तुरंत आपके आंख से पानी निकल जाता है, then you can try this. You just blink a lot when you apply the kajal, then फिर भी आप इसको लगा लोगे because they are so pigmented. Like one swatch and you are good to go. तो आपको इतना रगड़ना नहीं पड़ेगा and आपके आंख से पानी भी नहीं आएगा. So what more you want? Absolutely love all the colors, but I wish कि वो थोड़े pastel shades भी add करे in this particular range. So for that I would rate it 9 on 10. Product that I have is the most talked about product. I think ये एक महीने पहले ही launch हुआ है and I got it in my PR and I already reviewed it on my story, but ऐसे dedicated reel या shorts नहीं बनाई थी उसके लिए. So here I am. So I'm talking about the K Beauty Jelly Blush. So cute. It smells like also very like I really want to eat it. So I have the shade Berry Burst with me. The other two shades I also have it with me, but wo I thought कि I'll just gift it to someone because that is so light, like super duper light. I don't think वो brown skin के लिए है. It's buildable, I would say. I'll just quickly show you the swatch. This is the first layer. लाइट ज़्यादा आ रहा है तो इसका इंटेंसिटी दिखाई नहीं दे रहा होगा आपको इतना. 4 बार इसको अप्लाई करने के बाद ये शेड कुछ ऐसा दिखता है. वो नेचुरल. सो फॉर एवरीडे यूज दिस इज एब्सोल्युटली अमेजिंग. यू कैन वेयर इट अबव योर मेकअप एज वेल बट नॉट अबव द पाउडर प्रोडक्ट्स. तो अगर आप इसको लगाने वाले हो तो पाउडर के ऊपर मत लगाना. If you have the skin tint on or concealer on, then apply this and then उसके ऊपर आप पाउडर लगाओ तो ही बेटर है. Convenient to use as well. Beginner and you are traveling and also if you are in hurry, then कभी कभी होता है ना कि हम लोग बहुत ज़्यादा प्रोडक्ट लगा देते हैं जल्दी जल्दी में, तो इसमें ऐसा नहीं होने वाला. You have to build it up and then आएगा. So एक स्वॉच में तो आपको ज़्यादा पिगमेंटेशन मिलने नहीं वाला है. So that's the only reason why this is can be a great go-to product. Well, I would give it 7.5 out of 10. I have another blush with me again from K Beauty क्योंकि ये दो प्रोडक्ट आई थिंक ब्लशेस में मैं देख रही हूँ काफ़ी ज़्यादा वायरल हो रहे थे. So yeah, this is how the product looks like. So this is kind of a unique formula, I would say. ये आपको लग रहा होगा कि पाउडर है बट पाउडर नहीं है. When you touch it, it feels very creamy and even when you apply it, it feels very powdery, like so luxurious. Like I don't know how to explain it. Like when you will touch it, you will know. So this is absolutely a luxury product. I think for the price, I think this is the best you can get. And it just looks so bougie, I would say. Like I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, it's very soft, like very cream-like. And when I'm swatching it, as I swatch here, look at it. It feels very velvety satin, but also it settles into matte finish. मैंने इसको काफी सारे ट्यूटोरियल्स में यूज किया है and also have worn this and gone out as well. पहली बार जब आप यूज कर रहे हो ना, एक ही बार डिप करना and then धीरे धीरे इसको बिल्डअप करना. डोंट मेक द मिस्टेक्स लाइक आई डिड बिकॉज पहली बार जब आया था तो मैं 4-5 बार उसको ऐसे डिप करके लगाई एंड yeah, that was not a good scene that time. If you'll ask me what I have to choose between these two, then obviously I'll go for this because this is value for money and I don't think any brand has launched anything like this before. Like कोई भी Indian brand ने ऐसे नहीं किया launch. I think they got inspired by the MAC blush जो ऐसे squishy होता है and then I guess the Rare Beauty one क्योंकि वो भी उसका भी जो luminous blush जो है ना उसका भी texture कुछ ऐसा ही है. But honestly I'm not complaining because on its own I think it's a great product. I would definitely give it 10 on 10. Okay, we are at the end of makeup products. 2 महीने से देख रही हूँ ये जो प्रोडक्ट है ना हर जगह है, एंड ऑल्सो आई हैव ऑल्सो रिव्यूड इट कम्प्लीटली विद एप्लीकेशन डेमो, एंड एक अच्छा सा रिव्यू भी मैंने दिया था मेरे इंस्टाग्राम में. आई डोंट थिंक मैंने ये शॉर्ट्स में पोस्ट किया है कि नहीं, बट इफ आई हैव देन आई विल मेक श्योर कि मैं लिंक डाल दूंगी ऊपर. बट या आई ऑलरेडी हैव माई थॉट्स ऑन इट, एंड आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द लॉरियल टिंटेड सीरम. इफ़ यू हैव सीन माई लास्ट वीडियो, दैट इज़ माई हॉल वीडियो, उसमें भी मैंने आपको थोड़ा बहुत रिव्यू दिया था, तो अभी मैं इसके बारे में ज़्यादा बात नहीं करूंगी. अनटिल आई यूज़ अ गुड सेटिंग स्प्रे देन तो ये वाटर प्रूफ या स्मच प्रूफ नहीं होगा. सो दैट इज़ वाई आई एम गोइंग टू गिव इट 7 on 10. But to complement that, since we are on the topic of setting spray, I also got the very hype product right now, like it's trending right now and all the influencers are making a video, although वो sponsored video है क्योंकि ये बल्क कैंपेन है तो सारे इन्फ्लुएंसर बना रहे हैं. सो दिस इज द लॉरियल इनफैलिबल सेटिंग स्प्रे. या आई गॉट इट विथ माई ओन मनी क्योंकि मुझे काफ़ी सस्ते में मिल गया था. द एक्चुअल प्राइस इज ₹799, बट ये मुझे 560 में मिला. कैन यू गाइज बिलीव इट? एंड आई गॉट इट फ्रॉम मिंत्रा क्योंकि उनका कुछ सेल चल रहा था, तब आई जस्ट सॉ इट एंड आई परचेज. क्योंकि मैं हमेशा ना विश लिस्ट अपना चेक करती रहती हूँ, कब पता नहीं कब उसका प्राइस कम हो जाए. आई डोंट नो कि अभी आपको ये मिलेगा कि नहीं, क्योंकि ये वीडियो बहुत बात जाने वाला है. बट एनीवेज आई गॉट इट. फर्स्ट इम्प्रेशन आई वुड से कि ये एक हेयर स्प्रे की तरह स्मेल करता है, लाइक अ वेरी केमिकल स्मेल आई वुड से. इफ आई कंबाइन बोथ ऑफ दिस प्रोडक्ट then it's just 10 on 10, you guys, just 10 on 10. I have worn this to my friend's engagement and वो डे टाइम में था, and honestly my makeup looked so fresh throughout the event. ये मेकअप था like रात के 7-8 बजे तक, and still my makeup looked very fresh, even worked better than my Charlotte Tilbury. Like hello, like I thought कि nothing can top of my Charlotte Tilbury, but this one did, and with 1/4 of its price. Highly recommend you guys to try this one out for sure. Now we are going to talk about skincare. So the first product that I have with me is from the brand Nivea. तब काफ़ी सारे influencers को मैं देख रही थी sponsored post करते हुए, so I thought I would try this. So basically they were showing कि उनका acne marks है and वो हट जाता है in 2 weeks. So I thought I'll get it. And let me tell you, मैं इसको शायद अप्रैल मंथ में खरीदी थी, and I have used this for 4 weeks straight and I couldn't see any difference. Fact, I saw 2 new pimple on my face. Smells like a men perfume. So that's the only reason why, first of all, I don't like it. Second, it gives you a stinging sensation, which I don't like at all. Feel cooling, okay? ऐसे प्रोडक्ट यूज करते हैं तो कूलिंग इफेक्ट देता है, वैसे कूलिंग इफेक्ट नहीं देता है, बट ये जलने का टाइप, it stings and the stinging last for a very long time. So obviously this did not suit me. And the third reason that I don't like this is because after applying it, it felt like I have applied a mask. like वो जो peel off mask जैसा दिखता है ना, जो ऐसे ग्लास टाइप का ऐसे इफेक्ट देता हो, ऐसा ये दिखता है. एंड ट्रस्ट मी, दैट डजंट लुक नेचुरल एट ऑल. कोई मेरे को बोलेगा कि चेहरे में कुछ अप्लाई की है बिकॉज ऑफ दिस. सो या the glow it also gives is also not that natural. It looks like you have applied a face mask or something like that. इतने सारे products दिखाए, this is the only product that I'm totally disappointed. Oxtail oil balancing moisturizer काफी aesthetic है. I think this is the only reason why it's getting so much appreciation and so much viral, because this product just looks so good, very pretty and aesthetic, especially the beads inside. You can see वो pink छोटे छोटे है, कितना सुंदर लग रहा है. like just looks so luxurious. like 800 रुपए में ये आपको ऐसा मिल रहा है. Plus if you are going to use my code again, you are going to get it for like 300 rupees. So yeah, use my code and get it even at a lower price. Again, this video is not sponsored, so I'll give you my honest opinion on it. Previously on my YouTube channel, I have made a full-blown review about Foxtail products. उसमें बहुत सारे अच्छे प्रोडक्ट्स भी थे, बहुत सारे बुरे प्रोडक्ट्स भी थे. I'll make sure कि मैं आई बटन में डाल दूंगी. So please go and watch that video to know what I think about their products and the brand in general, because I think I have used all of their products. When they launched it, I was quite excited because someone who has combination skin, this is going to be a great deal. जितना मैंने use किया है, I think मैंने इसको 3-4 बार use किया है. I must say this works really good. It keeps your face moisturized, but it does not give you that matte finish. ये आपको matte finish नहीं देगा, but ये greasy और oily feel भी नहीं होने देता है. Initial use, I'll say कि थोड़ा बहुत ये कंट्रोल करता है. when you start keep using it continuously, 3-4 दिन मैंने इसको यूज़ किया है, and I can say this does perform. I'll try my best कि in the coming months I'll use this every single day and see कि कितना कंट्रोल हो रहा है, क्योंकि अभी जो बारिश का मौसम है, my skin just feels very oily super soon because of the humid and बहुत चिपचिपी लगता है. So yeah, I'll keep using in the coming months and I'll let you know my final opinion on it. But for now I would definitely give it 8.5 on 10 क्योंकि जितना मैंने यूज़ किया है I think that it really worked. Okay, so the next product that I have with me is from the brand Hyphen. So I got their Ice Dunk face mask. So they say that it has 31% skin cooling actives, 3% caffeine and peptides. So basically this is a face mask meant for puffy face, puffy eyes, like that. Okay, I know most of you say कि ice लगा सकते हैं, then ice dunk वाला भी आता है, जो अभी हम देखें सारे celebrities करते हुए, वो भी कर सकते हैं. Then why to get this product? Well, again I'll say this is not necessary for everyone, but this was necessary for me क्योंकि मैं हॉस्टल में रहती हूँ एंड हॉस्टल में फ्रिज नहीं है, तो मेरे को आइस नहीं मिलता है. एंड ऐसा होता है कभी कभी मैं रात भर पढ़ती हूँ, रात भर जगती हूँ हॉस्टल में, देन जब सुबह उठती हूँ माई फेस लुक्स वेरी पफी एंड आई हैव टू गो टू क्लास. सो फॉर दैट आई थिंक दिस इज़ अ ग्रेट प्रोडक्ट बिकॉज दिस रियली वर्क्स फॉर योर पफीनेस. मैंने इसको आई थिंक 3-4 बार अभी तक यूज़ किया है घर पे ही बैठे बैठे. तो आई मस्ट से दैट दिस रियली वर्क्स. So you just have to apply it for 10 minutes or 5 minutes max and you can see the effect immediately. Cooling effect it just gives is so satisfying, you guys. The cooling effect was there for the whole 15 minutes, you guys, and the effect was also quite intense. Like it कम नहीं हुआ वो cooling effect. So obviously it worked. So when I washed my face, मैंने actually before और after photo मैंने click किया है. I don't know like कितना effect आपको दिख रहा होगा picture में, but मेरा गाल इतना फूलता तो नहीं है, but I can see the difference, you guys. So yeah, definitely worth it. I'll definitely give it 10 on 10. Okay, so the last product that I have, again I have already reviewed it and I showed the demo as well and showed you how beautifully it looks. So I'm talking about Dot & Key sunscreen spray. It's for reapplication again. मैं कॉलेज जाती हूँ तो मुझे ऐसे रीएप्लीकेशन अच्छे ही लगते हैं because I don't have to do my makeup again and again. This does not have any fragrance, which I absolutely love, and the mist is also very fine. You will see. Grab this right away if you are looking for a good sunscreen spray. Definitely rated 9 on 10 for sure. Guys, we are at the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'm planning to make this kind of video every now and then. All the product links will be there in the description box, so do not forget to check it out. And also जो brands के मेरे coupon codes है वो भी मैं डाल दूंगी नीचे. So please description हमेशा check करते रहना. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.